While indoor plants don't require as much fertilizer as outdoor counterparts, periodic feeding is essential for optimal growth. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season. Reduce or eliminate fertilization during the dormant winter months when plant growth naturally slows down. Regular pruning helps control the size and shape of your indoor garden. Remove dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth. Inspect plants for pests and promptly address any issues with natural remedies or environmentally friendly insecticidal soap. A well-maintained indoor garden not only looks beautiful but also promotes the overall health of your green companions. As your plants grow, they may outgrow their containers. Repotting allows for the refreshment of soil, the assessment of root health, and the provision of additional space for growth. Be mindful of the specific repotting needs of each plant, and choose an appropriate container size to accommodate their expanding root systems. Ultimately, cultivating an indoor garden is an opportunity to create a personalized oasis that reflects your taste and style. Experiment with plant placement, mix textures and colors, and introduce decorative elements like plant stands and trellises. The process of growing anything indoors is not just about nurturing plants, it's about fostering a connection with nature within the intimate confines of your home. The journey of growing anything indoors is a dynamic and fulfilling endeavor. By carefully selecting plants, understanding their needs, and providing the right environment, you can transform your living space into a thriving indoor garden. With patience, attention to detail, and a genuine love for greenery, the rewards of indoor gardening are boundless, offering a sanctuary of nature in the heart of your home.